What's going on, YouTube? Hey man, welcome back to the channel, man. Hey, I want to say thanks for watching, man. Thanks for watching the videos. Thanks for clicking on the link. Once again, man, I'd like to thank my subscribers for the support. Thank y'all, man. The channel is growing. Appreciate it. Also, man, want to say anybody that's new who's watching this video, hey man, do your boy a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, man, and hit that like button, man. But not gonna waste y'all time. As y'all know, man, we're busy doing the speaker upgrade, man, and these are the speakers that I ordered for the back. So we're gonna do this unboxing. We're gonna see what all comes in here, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of information, man, and you know, once everything is installed, y'all will see that final video of all the speakers that I ordered and everything I got installed. And I got a video on how I took apart, man, the inside of the car. I'm gonna give, you know, it's detail for detail, man. So without further ado, man, let's get into this unboxing, guys. Let's go. This, man, the JBL Club 9630, man. Oh, that thing, man, that thing look beautiful, man. Take it over here to some light. Let y'all see what we're working with. Two tweeters. Pretty nice weight. This is what's gonna be in the rear deck, man. Now, you know what I'm saying? I'm going with all clubs. And then right here, these are gonna be the 3.5s right here, man. The clubs 3020, man. So those gonna be the ones that's gonna be in the dash right here. And if they sound anything like this one sounded, if you go to my IG, man, you can I posted a clip of how the speaker sound. And man, that thing is, whoo, man, that thing is loud, man. I'm talking about crazy loud. So man, y'all most definitely, man, if you're gonna do the speaker upgrade, man, go with these Club 9630s, man, JBLs. I mean, they pair good with the factory amp. I think the factory amp is rated at 2 ohms. I think these is hitting at like 2.3 or something like that. They might average out to 3, but they most definitely not higher than 3. I can guarantee you that, man. So Club 9630 JBLs, man. That's what I'm installing inside of the car. As y'all can see, man, we got that install thing out. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna show y'all nothing. Y'all want to see the install video and how I took everything apart, man, y'all go check the other video out. But this is just the speakers that I bought. All right, man, let me put this in, guys. Also, man, this is the Club 3020s. I'm not gonna show y'all this box. Y'all already seen what's in the last Club 9630 box. These are the 3.5s right here, man. That's how the speaker look. 2 of them, of course. As y'all guys can see, it's going down right now, man. But a couple attachments, some instructions, some stickers. I might put these stickers somewhere, I don't know, or I might just throw them away, who knows. But yeah, man, here are the 3.5s, man. You take them out. 3.5s, man. This little thing right here is gonna give you a lot of sound, man. A lot of sound out of these boys, man. So yeah, man, there go my finish. This will conclude the unboxing. Like always, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. Let's go.